guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. My female cat Sophia actually gave birth to 4 cute kittens. Now these kittens are only a month old, but they are so active and playful. Sophia gave birth in a really unexpected place. She gave birth on the roof. Now that's cool. The reason she gave birth to the kittens on the roof is because her previous litter didn't survive due to the floods, but she was smart and gave birth on the roof. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is their house. They like to eat here and play here. But then I came to wonder, there's a huge gap up there which brings rainfall in. But then you come to realize that there's a whole new layer, and that's where the kittens have been sleeping and getting sheltered from the rain. And then this layer basically continues all under the whole roof. And if you're wondering how the kittens move under the roof, there are these little drainage holes that the kittens use as tunnels. Brave, Gingerback, Blacky and Bubbles have now reached the age where they become naughty and cheeky, and a little bit too adventurous if you ask me. Here's why. During the night, the 4 kittens separated and 2 were stranded on the roof ledge with no way out. We thought that Sophia, the mum, would help them get down, but when they started to overheat, we had to get them down. Our original plan was to pour water on them so that they don't dehydrate, but then this happened. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Get up. Both of them fell off without injury. Then Sophia and all the 4 kittens reunited and had a well-deserved nap. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about my cats.